shoppers, today we have a telescope we got from Amazon. It's optical glass and a metal tube. It comes in this nice canvas bag, and you can hold it with a handle or there is a shoulder strap. It has an instruction manual on how to operate it and care for your machine. Comes nicely packaged. Lens cleaner. Shutter wire cord, smartphone adapter, and this is the tripod stand. In this black bag that it comes with, it has all of the different lenses, adapters, and things that you need to get a direct and exact view of what you're looking at. We have it set up and ready to go. So let's stargaze.
Hello, today's short video is about the telescope by Hexeum. At the end of this video, I will give my overall verdict, so be sure to watch till the end. Also, make sure you look at the related popular products about today's topic below this video. The Hexeum telescope is a high-quality portable refracting telescope that is perfect for amateur astronomers and stargazers. With an 80mm aperture and 600mm focal length, it can capture bright and clear images of celestial objects, such as planets, stars, and galaxies. With a high-quality fully multi-coated lens, it offers clear and crisp images that are perfect for observing planets, stars, and other celestial objects. Equipped with an AZ mount and tripod, this telescope is incredibly easy to set up, making it an ideal choice for beginners or anyone who wants to get started in astronomy. Moreover, the included carrying bag ensures that you can take your telescope with you wherever you go, whether it's on a camping trip or to your backyard. The wireless control feature of this telescope adds convenience and ease of use to your stargazing experience. With the push of a button, you can easily adjust the angle and focus of your telescope without having to manually adjust the mount or the lens. Another great feature of this telescope is the phone adapter, which allows you to easily attach your smartphone to the telescope and capture stunning images and videos of the objects you're observing. This is a great way to share your stargazing experiences with others or to document your observations for future reference. Overall, the Hexeum telescope is an excellent choice for anyone who is looking for a high-quality portable telescope that is easy to set up and use. That's it from me. While it's fresh on your mind, take action right now, look at the related products listed below this video, and order one of them today. Thanks for listening and thanks for watching and have a happy and healthy day.